Hello, creative folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of sublimated puzzles. If you're looking for a unique way to showcase your artwork or create memorable GIFs, sublimating puzzles might just be the perfect project for you. We'll explore everything from choosing the right materials to the detailed steps needed to produce a beautifully sublimated puzzle. So, let's get started and turn those plain puzzles into vibrant masterpieces. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand color vistas online for more resources. What is sublimation on puzzles? Sublimation is a printing process that uses heat to transfer dye onto different materials, such as fabrics and ceramics. For puzzles, it allows the ink to become part of the substrate, creating durable and vivid images that don't peel or fade. It's perfect for puzzles because it ensures the image withstands handling and solving without deteriorating. Choosing your puzzle blanks. Material. Most sublimation puzzles are made from cardboard or chipboard coated with a polyester layer, which is crucial for the ink to adhere properly. Sizes and shapes. You can find puzzles in various sizes and even different shapes like rectangles, hearts, or custom cuts. Choose the one that best fits your design or event theme. Now, let's look at creating your design. Software tools. Use graphic design software such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to create your puzzle design. Ensure your design is colorful and has high resolution for the best outcome. Design tips. Consider the puzzle's end use, whether it's for children, a wedding gift, or decor, to tailor the design accordingly. Photographs, artworks, or themed graphics are all great choices. Let's now discuss the fun part. Printing and preparing to sublimate. Printing. Print your design onto sublimation paper using a sublimation printer. Remember to mirror the image to ensure it transfers correctly. Cutting and aligning. Cut out the design, align it carefully on the puzzle, and secure it with heat-resistant tape to prevent any movement during the transfer process. Let's continue with the sublimation process. Heat press settings. Set your heat press to around 374 degrees to 190 degrees, and prepare to press for about 70 seconds under medium pressure. Pressing. Place the puzzle, with the design taped down, in the press. Cover it with protective paper to avoid any ink bleed onto your press. Cooling. Once pressed, allow the puzzle to cool completely on a flat surface to avoid warping. This also helps the colors set and ensures a smooth, glossy finish. Before we end, it's a good idea to talk about troubleshooting. Common issues. Faded colors. Ensure your heat press is at the correct temperature and your sublimation ink is of good quality. Image shifting. Double-check that the design is securely taped down to prevent it from moving during the pressing process. Inconsistent textures. Use an even pressure across the puzzle for a uniform transfer. Sublimating puzzles not only adds a personal touch to a fun activity, but also opens up a world of creativity. Whether you're making them for personal use, as gifts, or even to sell, the process is rewarding and the results are impressive. With the right technique and a bit of creativity, you can transform ordinary puzzles into extraordinary keepsakes. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to sublimate puzzles. You can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand color vistas online for more resources. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas and tutorials. Don't forget to share your finished puzzles in the comments or on social media. We love seeing your amazing creations. Until next time, keep crafting and stay creative.